Hi guys. So the lesson for today is about instructions. Okay, so I launched Turbo Pascal, waiting the same error. Okay, and new program. And what is actually an instruction? An instruction is simply the simplest order you give to your computer. That's it. For example, uses CRT, then begin, then end. So far we have three instructions, but actually this program is empty. It just does nothing. This is actually the minimal instruction you have on a Turbo Pascal program, okay? And what we do is give orders to our computer, okay? One order at a time. And these orders are instruction you are giving to your computer. So if I write this instruction and always finish, by the way, always finish your instruction with a semicolon, because this is the only way for your Turbo Pascal to differentiate between an instruction and another. The semicolon is the difference between your first instruction and your second instruction. So if I go back to the line, sorry for that, okay, read and then if I go to the line, this doesn't make really difference. Okay, so you can have instruction one after another like this. So I'm gonna make the right. Sorry for that. Okay, then word. This makes three instructions. Okay, so the first writes hello, then we have word, then we have a read line. So let's run this program and see what it makes. So see, we have hello, then we have word, then the computer is waiting for us to make a key press, okay? And that's it, I'm back. So there's actually no difference between the two way of writing the program. The only difference is this way is more readable, is more easy for the programmer to read, and by the way, will help the programmer make a better software. So this is one of the best practices as a software developer. You try to make your program as readable as understandable and understandable as possible. Okay, so let me make another instruction before my readln and make a third write-ln, and the word, this is my first Turbo Pascal program, just an example, okay, and run, okay. We can use the shortcut Control F9, okay, and see. But we have hello world, this is my first program, okay, great. But you see, we do have the ancient messages already on the screen. So we better clean our screen before have another message. So we're gonna use another instruction for that. And this instruction will tell the computer, please clear my screen before showing any message on the screen, okay? And this is it, and run. This way I'm gonna use the Control F9 and see we do have a better screen. We have hello world. This is my first Turbo Pascal program, and each instruction does the job of doing one job. So this line writes hello, this one writes word, and this line writes this is my Turbo Pascal program. And what is important is that each instruction is sorry, is executed one at a time. This is to know that the first instruction is executed first, then this one, then this one, and finally this one. So we do have writer and hello world. This is my first program. Execute and see. This is it. Hello world. This is my first program. So it's not easy for those of you who already start programming, but for the beginners, the extreme beginners, this is important. And if you want to be a good programmer, you have to grasp this simple idea that one instruction at a time does one job, and one instruction after another does a complete program. And any program you're gonna use from now will have this exactly same structure. Whatever the complexity, whatever the program, will always follow these rules. Okay, so this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and this is all for now. And please don't forget to subscribe and follow my channel, and hope seeing you in the next video.